Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. We're excited to have you with us again. Let's dive into today's health tips and continue our journey towards a healthier lifestyle together. We all know that good sleep is crucial for muscle recovery, but did you know that what you eat can actually help your muscles detoxify overnight? That's right, certain foods can help flush out those toxins that build up during intense workouts. We're talking about reducing muscle soreness, boosting recovery, and waking up feeling refreshed. In this video, I'm going to share 15 amazing foods that can help you do just that. Get ready to optimize your sleep and maximize those gains. First up, we've got a true superhero of the leafy green spinach. This veggie is loaded with magnesium, a mineral that's essential for muscle relaxation. Think of it as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to ease those tight spots and prevent those annoying cramps. But that's not all. Spinach also helps clear out lactic acid, that pesky byproduct of intense exercise that makes your muscles feel sore. Next, we have chia seeds, a nutritional powerhouse packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are your best friends when it comes to fighting inflammation, which is key for muscle recovery. And hold on, there's more. Chia seeds are also high in fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. Why is that important? Because a healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, allowing your body to utilize all the goodness from these detoxifying foods. Moving on to a fruit we all know and love, bananas. Bananas are famous for their potassium content, and for good reason. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps prevent muscle cramps and spasms, keeping those muscles firing smoothly. But here's a bonus. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which plays a role in melatonin production. And what does melatonin do? It helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, ensuring you get those restful Z's. Ginger tea soothe and detoxify. Let's talk about ginger tea, a soothing beverage with powerful detoxifying properties. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has been shown to reduce muscle pain and inflammation. Think of it as nature's ibuprofen. But ginger doesn't stop there. It also helps your body break down toxins faster, giving your system a much-needed cleanse. Broccoli, your detox dynamo. Now, let's talk about broccoli, a cruciferous veggie that packs a detoxifying punch. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to help remove heavy metals from this body, including your muscles. These heavy metals can build up over time and interfere with muscle function, so it's important to get rid of them. Turmeric, the golden spice. Next up, we have turmeric, a vibrant spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce muscle soreness and speeds up the recovery process. But that's not all. Turmeric also enhances liver function, which is crucial for detoxification. Let's move on to avocado, a fruit that's rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These good fats are essential for joint lubrication and cell repair, both of which are crucial for muscle recovery. But avocado's benefits don't stop there. Now let's talk about dandelion tea, a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins from the body. Dandelion tea can help reduce bloating and water retention, which can be especially helpful after intense workouts. By removing excess fluids, dandelion tea can also help improve muscle definition. Cucumbers are often overlooked, but they're a fantastic addition to your diet, especially when it comes to muscle recovery. These refreshing veggies are incredibly hydrating, which is essential for keeping your muscles functioning properly. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue, so staying hydrated is key. Blueberries, antioxidant powerhouse. Let's talk about blueberries, those tiny but mighty berries that are bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage your muscles. Natural yogurt probiotics for a happy gut. Natural yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and play a vital role in digestion and overall health. A healthy gut is essential for proper nutrient absorption, allowing your body to make the most of all the detoxifying foods you're eating. Zucchini potassium and fiber power. Zucchini, a versatile summer squash, is another great food for muscle detoxification. It's rich in potassium, which, as we learned earlier, helps prevent muscle cramps and spasms. But zucchini's benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about garlic, a pungent ingredient that adds a delicious kick to countless dishes. But garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer, it's also a potent detoxifier. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that help boost the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps remove toxins from the body, including your muscles. An apple a day might not keep the doctor away, but it can definitely help with muscle detoxification. Apples are a good source of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts like a sponge in your gut, binding to toxins and helping to remove them from the body. Last but not least, we have almonds, a satisfying and nutritious snack that's perfect for muscle recovery. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. So there you have it, 15 incredible foods that can help detoxify your muscles while you sleep. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help reduce muscle soreness, boost recovery, and have you waking up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle your day. Which of these muscle detoxifying foods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.